Hi everyone, I've got a Honda Jazu here on a 2011 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the clock basically on this one. So it's quite a simple job. Switch it off, switch the radio off, press hold this button, the clock button for a few seconds. Here we go. Now you've got to do the minutes and hours. So it's 2:50 here at the moment. So we're going to do 14 hours and then go into 5, press number 5 for minutes. So do 50, that's 14:50, which is 2:50 p.m. That's it, and then press clock again, and that's job done. That's all you got to do on your one as well if you're not too sure. But make sure the radio is off, the ignition off. I mean, you can have the ignition on and or off. It shouldn't matter. That's all you got to do. Thank you very much. Goodbye.